Hello and welcome to KLM Institute. Today, we explore how Python is transforming the world of data science and revolutionizing the way businesses harness big data for better decision-making. As the demand for data-driven insights continues to grow, Python has emerged as one of the most powerful tools for unlocking the potential of large datasets. Data science involves extracting meaningful patterns, insights, and predictions from vast amounts of data, and Python has become the go-to language for this task due to its simplicity, versatility, and powerful libraries. Why Python for data science? Python's popularity in data science can be attributed to several key factors. Ease of use. Python's syntax is straightforward and easy to learn, making it accessible to both beginners and experienced programmers. Unlike other programming languages that can be more complex, Python allows data scientists to focus on solving problems rather than dealing with complex code. Python boasts an extensive collection of libraries specifically designed for data science, including tools for data manipulation, statistical analysis, machine learning, and data visualization. Popular libraries include Pandas, a powerful library for data manipulation and analysis, making it easier to handle structured data, clean datasets, and perform analysis. NumPy, a library that supports large, multi-dimensional arrays and matrices, along with a collection of high-level mathematical functions to operate on these arrays. Matplotlib and Seaborn, these libraries help create visualizations such as graphs and plots, making it easier to communicate insights. Scikit-learn, a library for machine learning that provides simple and efficient tools for data mining and data analysis, including algorithms for classification, regression, and clustering. Python is not just for data scientists, it is also used by developers, statisticians, and researchers. Its versatility allows it to be applied across various fields, such as finance, healthcare, marketing, and more. It can be used to analyze sales data, predict customer behavior, optimize business processes, and even detect fraud. Python has a massive and active community of developers, which means that there are plenty of tutorials, forums, and documentation available for anyone looking to learn or troubleshoot. This vibrant community accelerates the learning curve and offers support for tackling data challenges. How Python helps businesses make informed decisions. Data pre-processing and cleaning. One of the first steps in any data analysis project is cleaning and preparing the data. Python's Pandas library allows businesses to easily clean large datasets by handling missing values, removing duplicates, and transforming data into the right format. Clean data is crucial for generating accurate insights and making reliable decisions. Exploratory data analysis, or EDA. Before jumping into complex modeling, it's important to understand the data through EDA. Python's visualization libraries like Matplotlib and Seaborn allow businesses to quickly plot histograms, scatter plots, and heat maps to identify trends, outliers, and correlations in the data. This helps analysts uncover patterns that can drive business decisions, such as customer preferences or market trends. Predictive analytics and machine learning. Python is a powerhouse for machine learning. With libraries like Scikit-learn, businesses can build predictive models that help forecast future trends. For instance, a retail business can use machine learning to predict which products will be popular in the coming season, while a financial institution can predict stock market movements or assess the risk of loan defaults. These predictive models enable businesses to make proactive decisions based on data-driven insights. Automation of routine tasks. Data science with Python enables businesses to automate repetitive tasks like data entry, report generation, and monitoring of KPIs. By using Python scripts, businesses can save time and reduce the likelihood of human error. Automation not only enhances efficiency, but also frees up resources for more strategic decision-making. Real-time analytics. Python also excels at real-time data processing. With frameworks like Apache Spark or Dask, businesses can analyze streaming data from sources like social media, website traffic, or IoT devices. Real-time analytics helps companies make quick decisions in fast-paced environments, such as detecting fraudulent transactions in financial systems or adjusting marketing campaigns based on real-time customer behavior. Big data integration. As businesses scale, they deal with increasingly large data sets. Python can handle big data through integration with platforms like Hadoop and Spark, allowing businesses to process vast amounts of data quickly and efficiently. This makes it easier for companies to work with big data in real time and extract meaningful insights. Real-world applications. Retail. Retailers use Python to analyze customer purchasing behavior, optimize inventory, and personalize marketing campaigns. Machine learning models can predict customer preferences, helping businesses target the right products to the right audience. Healthcare. Python is used in healthcare to analyze patient data, predict health trends, and optimize treatment plans. By processing big data from electronic health records and wearables, healthcare providers can offer more personalized care. Finance. In finance, Python helps businesses with algorithmic trading, risk management, and fraud detection. Predictive models can forecast stock prices, and machine learning can identify fraudulent transactions or patterns indicative of financial instability. Python has become an indispensable tool in the world of data science, providing businesses with the tools they need to unlock insights from big data. From cleaning and pre-processing data to building complex predictive models, Python empowers organizations to make smarter, data-driven decisions. Its ease of use, vast ecosystem of libraries, and scalability make it the go-to language for businesses looking to harness the power of big data. Thank you for joining KLM Institute as we explored the role of Python in data science and how it's revolutionizing business decision-making. Stay tuned for more insights on how data science and technology are shaping the future of business. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.